Hi everybody, today I'm going to tell you how to make slime. So I'll tell you the ingredients. You need half a cup of water, a spoon to mix it, a bowl, it could be any size. If it's bigger then you'll get more slime. Saline solution, washable glue, food coloring, a spoon, it can be like any size to get the food coloring and put it in. And yep, those are all the ingredients. First you have to put the white glue in. So I'm going to open the bottle so I can get more. And then pour until the whole bottom looks like it's filled. I'm done with that part. And next, I have to pour the cup of water. And now I have to start mixing and mixing. And then I have to add the food coloring. I need to open this. I'm going to put a little bit of red. And I'm going to put a little bit of yellow. This yellow kind of looks like orange here. And now I'll start mixing again. And then after I'm done putting the food coloring, I'm going to put in the baking soda. So I'm going to get a spoon of baking soda and put it in, maybe 2 spoons. And then I have to keep mixing and mixing. And then I have to add the multi-purpose solution. So you can add, if the slime is not sticky enough, you can add more. It doesn't look like it's getting sticky, so I'm going to have to get another one. Yep. Not working more, then you have to add more saline solution, like I said. But you have to keep mixing. So my slime is ready, kind of ready. Only thing we have to try to make it more solid, and then we made our slime. So I'm going to keep it in the Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge so it'll be more solid. See you in the next video, guys. I hope you liked this. Bye.